Welcome back to Team Axle Stands. Today I'll be showing you how to put the K24 into an EG with using only just a jack. We go up through the bottom, so stick around and I'll show you how to do that. So I did the power steering loop, and I actually haven't bought any parts for this. It's just all the stock stuff. The existing lines, I just cut them off, flared them, and then used this loop piece which sat on the end of the power steering over on this side of the engine bay. Hopefully it works out alright. Kind of got rid of a lot of the fluid out of it anyway, so it's just a mixture of air and fluid. Got the rear mount on. Let's see how we go. So I've got that post mount in. I'm actually not sure which one goes on, and I'll put this gearbox mount on and see if we can get that to line up too. Alrighty, she's in, boys. Little bit of stuffing around with the mounts just to get it sitting right, but it's all pretty okay. Just got to get the rear mount on, and then we'll have a look after that. Yeah, not too bad. Well, there you go, boys. She's in, and it wasn't too much of a pain. A bit of, I think the key is to leave lots of these, mounting bolts loose until you get them all in, and then tighten only after you do that. And I used the post mount to kind of pull it up, kind of like a bit like the factory way of doing it. But yeah. Now the fun begins, because there's lots of little bits to button up before it can obviously get started or anything like that. So we'll start on that. Thanks all for joining us. In the next episode, I'll show you some of the wiring. We actually modify a CRV loom, a drive-by-wire CRV loom, and use it on this engine. So, yeah, join us next time. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit whatever. Just smash everything. Cheers.